I'm sharing my screen and आप लोग को तो like you guys must be knowing that आज topic क्या है हम लोग का होने वाला है. Today we'll be starting with radio telephony in aviation. Radio telephony in a layman's term is the language of pilots and ATCs. Though the conversation that happens between pilots and ATCs while in the air or maybe on the ground. ठीक है, all the conversations, all the transmissions are via radio telephony. एक system है वो basically. It's just like another language, but you know, it's in English, but the system is very much different. But it's easy though, like इतना systematic है ना. It is required to be so systematic and so like एक procedure होना ही चाहिए. Then क्योंकि see radio का एक issue होता है, it might fail anytime. So there are certain procedures for that as well. You squawk 7600, I believe, in the squawk box in your aircraft's. Forgot the word. It is actually known as a squawk box by pilots, but the technical term is something else. Okay, wo we can discuss later. I think I'll open up this. What is this? I'll open up Photoshop to explain everything. Stand by. Meanwhile, what else can I show you for a bar? Like, yeah, wait. What they call it, radio telephony procedure. Radio telephony, as you might know, is also used in armed forces to communicate, and also in maritime ships, naval forces, all that. Radio telephony procedure, also on-air protocol and voice procedure, includes various techniques to use to clarify, simplify, and standardize spoken communications over two-way radios. It is used in the armed forces, in civil aviation, police, and fire dispatching systems, citizens band radio, and amateur radio. See, it is used to clarify, simplify, and standardize. Main to ye standardize spoken communications over two-way radios. Two-way radios like radio communications. It is not like your normal calling system, like with your telephone and your mobile phone, because one person cannot speak over the other. If one is speaking, the other guy will not be heard on the radio by anyone. There is a push to talk button that you have to press while talking in the aircraft, and also for the ATC there's a push to talk button. They'll have to press it, okay, and you have to let go it completely as soon as you are done, so that the other guy can speak. And nowadays you don't generally say that after you have transmitted a message, you generally don't say over like they used to show in movies, है ना? Has anyone like noticed that movies में show करते हैं, after a certain message they'll say over and out? That is not done. So that basically one cannot speak over the other. Okay, and if someone speaks over the other, the people who are not who are on the radio but they are not speaking, they'll hear a beep. And if they hear a beep, like the two people who are talking together won't be able to hear each other, so they don't know whether the communication is heard by the correct person or not, like if the communication has passed over or not. So the third guy who was a pilot, who is a pilot, and heard that, and the two of them have crossed over each other, they'll have to say blocked after a certain message has been blocked over, so that the two guys who were talking over each other get to know that none of the message was passed. Easy. And see, one thing is, why do we use radios when we have certain other communication facilities like I guess infrared, microwave and whatnot? Radio and calling and via satellites or something. Radio is used because it is independent. The all the systems which are required are placed on the ground and in the aircraft. So if something happens like कुछ like World War III हो गया है, you know, hypothetically World War III हो गया and like the satellites are shut down. So the aircrafts currently in the air will require to communicate with the ATC. No. So they'll need an independent system, and radio is one of them. That is why we use radios. And see, as they told the radio telephony procedure, the way the pilots are supposed to speak is standardized. You don't speak like okay ATC, like SpiceJet 395, we are ready to taxi to this. It is very simplified, very straightforward and standardized. Like one example can be, if an aircraft is ready to taxi, they'll simply say SpiceJet, like Mumbai Tower, SpiceJet 395 ready for taxi. That's it. That is it. Okay. And in aviation, there are certain levels of air traffic controllers, ATCs. I'll call them ATCs. That's what they are called. ATC ka full form, air traffic controller. Simple as that. And over a certain area, like both in the air and on the ground, there is not one single ATC. Okay, there are multiple. There are levels of them. Okay, an aircraft will which will come out of their gate, will push back from their gate, and the communications will start from there, and the communications will end when they reach their destination and park on their specified gate on their destination airport. तब तक ये they'll talk with several levels of air traffic controllers. Okay, several. So in Photoshop I can show you. Let me create a new canvas. I know. Wait. Okay, default. Good enough. Yep. Okay, where's the brush tool? Yeah, got it. So suppose this is the airport, this is this is the tower. Okay, this is the runway. What am I doing? God damn it. Okay, this is just consider this tower. This as tower. Okay, and looks more like a cross, of course. And this is the airport. Okay, कुछ भगवान जाने क्या बना रहा हूँ मैं, कुछ ऐसा बना दिया, पता नहीं. I don't know. Come on. Okay, so यहाँ पे you will be parked at the gate, right? You'll be parked at the gate. What you will have to do is, I can show you here. Let me fire up two programs to show you all this. All this is for simulation. Okay, all these softwares are not real. They are used for simulation. Someone. Okay, so this was my previous flight, as you can see, from British Alibaba, India. This is Colombo to Bangalore. ऐसे ही दिखा दिया मैं. Okay, so I'll show you the diagram of the taxiways of Delhi. Okay. अंदर जा. हाँ, nice. As you might remember, this is Terminal 3. Okay. Here, and these dots, and like they are named. Okay. These are like Bravo 26 left. These are gates, parking areas, parking slots for aircrafts. All these yellow lines are taxiways. Okay, we'll talk about them later. All these taxiways are named actually. Okay, so this certain taxiway, ye pura, this whole line of taxiways, T. And like previously what I told you, T is for Tango in aviation, in radio telephony. If you want to recall, every alphabet is they have been given a certain phonetic word क्योंकि रेडियो पे there can be certain distortions. You might not hear the other person properly. So to make stuff clear, what we have done is we have standardized the the phonetic words for each letter. Like if call पे you cannot hear someone कि भाई कहाँ जाना है, सेक्टर बी, तो वो बोलेगा सेक्टर डी, नहीं मैं बोलूंगा सेक्टर बी फॉर बॉम्बे, समथिंग लाइक दैट, ओके. बट अब बॉम्बे दिल्ली ऐसे नहीं है. देर आर सर्ट मतलब उसको स्पेसिफाई कर दिया गया ऑलरेडी, ओके. सो मेरे को ABCD लिखना होगा, ABCD E FGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. Okay, I wrote this because I'll tell you what each is. One is, okay. You don't need to memorize everything right now, okay. A for alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo. What? I wrote J. Never mind. ABCDEF, मैं सही भी लिखूं, मेरे को नहीं पता. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, J for Juliet, K for Lima, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for like देखो M और N में बहुत ऐसे distortions हो सकता है, मतलब misunderstand हो सकता है. So M for Mike, N for Lima, क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, Victor, Whiskey, X-ray, Yankee, Zulu, like that. Okay. So first, there I'll specify the levels of ATCs from your gate of origin airport to the gate of your destination. What certain ATCs are you gonna contact as a pilot? Suppose your call sign is SpiceJet395. For this whole tutorial, I'll tell you what this is. First, you will contact delivery. Okay, doesn't show. Never mind. इसलिए ना, right? Delivery, or maybe ground also. Second will be ground. Third will be tower. Fourth will be departure controller. उसके बाद you'll contact the center. Then while arriving, you'll contact the approach. What am I doing? Approach controller of your destination airport. Then you'll contact the tower again of your destination airport. Then you'll contact the ground of your destination airport too, so that they'll instruct you to how to taxi to the gate you have been assigned. So delivery, what does this guy do? Delivery is one person who is sitting in the tower. See, delivery, ground and tower are sitting in the tower which is there at the airport. You might have seen that. Departure and center are sitting in a nearby building, and they are not sitting in the tower because they do not need direct visuals of the aircraft they are controlling. They can't. Departure and center control the aircrafts which are high above in the sky. Delivery contact with aircrafts when they are parked at the gate of the origin airport. They they leave that airport. Delivery does what they do is वो clearance provide करते हैं. What is clearance? Like एक aircraft A to B जाएगा, उसका एक certain route होगा, ठीक है. उसमें जैसे मैं इधर दिखाया, वो एक certain route follow करेगा ना, तो दिस विल बी द रूट. ओके, ये एक रूट होगा. जैसे मैं कोलंबो से टेक ऑफ करूंगा, फिर एक ये वे पॉइंट है. वे पॉइंट का नाम क्या है? अटीटा, ATETA, अल्फा टैंगो एको टैंगो अल्फा, अटीटा. उसके बाद एक ये होगा वे पॉइंट, टैंगो टैंगो रोमियो, TTR. देन नेक्स्ट होगा अडकाल, ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट होगा ये सब डिलीवरी तुमको ये मतलब ये चेक करेगा कि तुम ये मतलब करेक्टली इसको फाइल किए हो कि नहीं. लाइक तुम करेक्ट वे पॉइंट्स फॉलो तो कर रहे हो ना. लाइक अगर एक पायलट ऐसे गलत प्लान फाइल कर देगा तो वो ही माइट गो लाइक hundreds of kilometers, you know, he would deroute hundreds of kilometers. तो वो तो उसी का लॉस है. To check that and to give him the clearance, उसको when he'll give him when the pilot will contact the clearance sorry the departure delivery controller, वो उसको उसका clearance provide करेगा in words उसको मतलब. And pilot has to copy all that and check whether he has put the right data into his computer in the aircraft. Computer is also known as FMC, flight management computer. Okay. So क्या क्या रहता है मतलब what stuff, मतलब तुमको एक मिनट ही क्या हो रहा है. हाँ, तुमको डिलीवरी कंट्रोलर जैसे अगर तुम you have just boarded the plane as a pilot, you are Boeing 737, you are a SpiceJet pilot working for SpiceJet. आज का तुम्हारा कॉल साइन कंसिडर दिस टू बी SpiceJet 395 और SpiceJet 001. ओके, SpiceJet 001, इजी टू रिमेम्बर. व्हाट हैपेंड, तुम्हारा एयरक्राफ्ट गेट पे पार्क्ड है, तुम पैसेंजर्स मतलब पहले तुम बोर्ड किए एयरक्राफ्ट पे, फिर तुम्हारे पैसेंजर्स भी बोर्डिंग कर लिए, सब बोर्डिंग कंप्लीट हो गया, यू आर रेडी टू गो. Okay, you are ready to leave the airport. फर्स्ट टाइम तुम डिलीवरी को कांटेक्ट करोगे, यू विल चेक योर रेडियो. एक पायलट हेडसेट पहनता है ना, इसमें माइक भी होता है एंड ही आल्सो हैज द हेडफोन्स. ओके, तो if it is if the radio to check the radios are working properly and his headset is working properly, he'll check the you know he'll check that with the delivery controller. What he'll say is, wait on, what he'll say is delivery, good afternoon, or maybe anything, good afternoon, not, you know, रूल नहीं है गुड आफ्टरनून बोलना, बट इट्स गुड टू डिलीवरी गुड आफ्टरनून. स्पाइसजेट का मैं एसईजे लिख रहा हूँ, स्पाइसजेट 001 रिक्वेस्टिंग रेडियो चेक. दिस इज व्हाट द पायलट विल से. Delivery count, good afternoon, SpiceJet 001 requesting radio check. And the delivery guy will say, if everything is working properly, delivery will say SpiceJet 001, good afternoon, speed you 5/5. What does this mean? SpiceJet 395, good afternoon, read you 5/5. 5/5 is the rating that he could hear him properly. If it would be 4/5, little distortions are there. If he could hear him 3/5, matlab, there are some issues. If he could hear him 2/5, he could hardly, hear the pilot. And if it is 1/5, can't hear anything, just static. Okay. And after this, what will the pilot say? What will we say? SpiceJet 001. Now consider this. जब एक पायलट ना एक न्यू मतलब एक न्यू कंट्रोलर पे ऐसे ड्रॉप होता है, एक न्यू कंट्रोलर पे हैंड ऑफ होता है. जैसे डिलीवरी के बाद वो ग्राउंड को मतलब डिलीवरी के बाद ग्राउंड को वो कांटेक्ट करेगा. व्हेन ही कांटेक्ट ग्राउंड आफ्टर बीइंग हैंडेड ऑफ बाय डिलीवरी, then he'll specify to whom he is talking for the first time. For the first transmission, he'll have to specify Mumbai ground, then his own call sign Mumbai ground. Like ऐसे लेटर लिखते हैं ना, तो फर्स्ट वील स्पेसिफाई कि किसको लेटर जा रहा है. तो फर्स्ट मुंबई ग्राउंड, देन आवर ओन एड्रेस SpiceJet 001, एंड देन द होल मैसेज, समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो डिलीवरी को तो तुम फर्स्ट टाइम जब कांटेक्ट किए, व्हाट डिड ही से? डिलीवरी गुड आफ्टरनून. And फिर delivery said SpiceJet 001, he specified our call sign and then passed on the message. The pilot is no longer required to specify the controller, क्योंकि वो handed off नहीं है, वो अब वहीं पे based है मतलब. ठीक है. And इसके बाद क्या बोलेगा? SpiceJet 001, he'll also check how he could hear the controller. फिर क्या बोलेगा? SpiceJet 001, read you 5 by 5 as well. ठीक है, अब ये बोला spices 001 read you 5 by 5 as well, मतलब he could hear the delivery controller properly. Okay, उसके बाद he'll request his clearance. Okay, अब देखो दो टाइप के क्लियरेंस होते हैं. ओके, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रूल्स ऑफ फ्लाइंग, IFR and VFR. Let me type out IFR and VFR. IFR का फुल फॉर्म होता है इंस्ट्रूमेंट फ्लाइट रूल्स. VFR का होता है विजुअल फ्लाइट रूल्स. ओके, इंस्ट्रूमेंट फ्लाइट रूल्स, you will fly mostly with the help of your instruments in the cockpit. Okay, visual flight rules क्या होगा? You will fly with the help of visual cues outside your aircraft. ठीक है, IFR is mainly used by बड़े planes like airliners, cargo aircrafts. Okay, visual flight rules is mainly used by छोटे planes, Cessna, training aircrafts, छोटे छोटे aircrafts, Cirrus हो गया, Piper हो गया. Why? Visual flight rules, एक तो because you'll need to fly low, so small airplanes could easily fly low without causing much sound. Bade jets, they cause a lot of sound and they are inefficient at lower altitudes. So छोटे planes could fly visual flight rules because one, they fly low, and two, because छोटे planes are not most of the time they are not equipped with high, मतलब बड़े बड़े इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जो होते हैं, लाइक द रिक्वायर्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लाइक FMC नहीं होता. व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू ना, एयरक्राफ्ट का कंप्यूटर इज नॉट फिटेड इन द एयरक्राफ्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. लेकिन अगर ऐसे मतलब फिट करना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं, बट इट विल कॉस्ट अ लॉट. विजुअल फ्लाइट रूल्स, वन, इट इज अलाउड बाय ट्रेनी पायलट्स. क्योंकि इंस्ट्रूमेंट फ्लाइंग करने के लिए यू विल रिक्वायर अ सर्टेन डिग्री कह सकते, लाइसेंस कह सकते, लाइसेंस, एक ट्रेनिंग, तुमको अलग से ट्रेनिंग लगेगा. सो फॉर फ्लाइंग विजुअल यू डोंट नीड दैट. लेकिन व्हाई डू एयरलाइनर्स फ्लाई इंस्ट्रूमेंट IFR, फ्लाई IFR? व्हाई डू दे फ्लाई IFR? बिकॉज वेदर एंड नंबर वन तो
ह्यूमन एरर्स कम करने के लिए.
क्या क्या?
ह्यूमन एरर्स कम करने के लिए.
ह्यूमन एरर, यप, ह्यूमन एरर्स कम करने के लिए. देन दे फ्लाई एट हायर ऑल्टीट्यूड्स, 35,000 feet. कभी कभी 41,000. I have seen 747s on flighted at 24. They fly at 41,000 feet. Flight level 410, 41,000. तो उधर से you cannot see buildings or towns कि I'll head northeast and when I reach क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं, coast, Diamond Harbor coast, then I'll take a left turn and fly in the direction of the coast. This cannot be done at 35,000 feet. So number one ये हो गया. Number two, IFR is a necessity when you are flying in bad weather. Low visibility, clouds है, thunderstorm है. You of course cannot see. वहाँ पे visibility can drop to like 500 meters. Winter में कोलकाता में हो जाता है 500 meters or less visibility. Then you cannot fly then you cannot fly VFR. VFR has some caveats, but is possible by less qualified pilots. तो एक स्पाइसजेट का 737 मोस्ट प्रोबेबली क्या हमेशा ही IFR फ्लाइट प्लान ही फाइल करेगा. फ्लाइट प्लान इज वही बेसिकली फ्लाइट प्लान, जो रूट तुम फॉलो करोगे, किस ऑल्टीट्यूड पे फ्लाई करोगे, फ्लाइट प्लान कंटेन्स दैट. अब वापस कम्युनिकेशन पे आ जाते हैं. स्पाइसजेट 001 ने बोला आई रीड यू 5 by 5 एज वेल, डिलीवरी को बोला. एंड अब डिलीवरी का मेन काम क्या है, उसको फ्लाइट प्लान देना. तो स्पाइसजेट उससे फ्लाइट प्लान लेगा. ठीक है, व्हाट ही विल आस्क इज requesting IFR clearance. Suppose he is coming to Kolkata, requesting IFR clearance to Kolkata. He'll specify the ICAO code. ICAO code of Kolkata is Victor Echo Charlie Charlie, VECC. IATA code is CCU, Charlie Charlie Uniform, I believe. मेरे को नहीं पता. But ICAO code is used by pilots. Okay. Requesting IFR clearance to डालना भूल गया. To Kolkata, Victor Echo Charlie Charlie. He will specify his aircraft name, aircraft type, Boeing 737-800. Okay. Or कुछ, he could specify the number of passengers on board and fuel endurance, all that. But अभी we'll go simple. ठीक है. I think I should remove this thing. बेकार का मैं. Bro, I need to learn Photoshop. Never mind. इसके बाद डिलीवरी क्या बोलेगा? अंडरस्टैंड. ये फर्स्ट वाला डिलीवरी ने कहा आई नीड टू स्पेसिफाई डिलीवरी. ये डिलीवरी ने कहा, इस पायलट ने कहा, एंड नाउ वापस डिलीवरी ने कहा SpiceJet 001 यू आर, मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ फ्लाइट प्लान का. यू आर क्लियर्ड टू वेट, ये हो रहा. I'll need to remove this. Wait a minute. इसको सिलेक्ट करो अच्छे से, सिलेक्ट करो, चेंज, टक, बूम, gone, get lost. Don't. What is this? भाई ये होते ही रहेगा. I'm sorry, मेरे को अच्छे से नहीं आया. हाँ हुआ फाइनली. Really sorry. Photoshop no हूँ मैं. Now delivery will call him out. Right है ना? डिलीवरी. अच्छा ये ठीक से देख रहा है ना?
हाँ.
Okay, perfect. Then delivery will tell him SpiceJet 001 you are cleared to destination Kolkata via, he'll specify some departure routes. Okay. Okay, never mind. कुछ मैसेज आया था डिस्कॉर्ड का. You are cleared to destination Kolkata via of course you have to. मेरे से ना होगा Photoshop. You are cleared to destination Kolkata via. क्यों होना है इसको ये? Somebody teach me. Phew. I'm so bad.
MS Word यूज करो.
हाँ वही लगता है.
मत
रुको. हाँ मच सिंपल. नोटपैड. ओके. क्या मैं वापस से मतलब जो प्रॉपर आज मैं क्या करता हूँ, आज मैं डिलीवरी एंड ग्राउंड कवर करता हूँ. टावर डिपार्चर सेंटर अप्रोच फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे. ठीक है. दिस रेडियो टेलीफोनी थिंग इज टू बिग. ओके, टू बिग ऑफ अ टॉपिक. सो एक दिन में तो खत्म होने नहीं वाला. आई विल रिपीट द conversations here. I'll type out the conversations again. Transmissions between pilot and delivery controller. Okay. First, pilot will call out Mumbai delivery SpiceJet 001 requesting radio check. फिर डिलीवरेबल कॉल आउट SpiceJet 001 read you 5 by 5. This is basically rating. अच्छा तुम 3 स्टार 4 स्टार रेटिंग देते हो वही है ये read you 5 by 5. पायलट बोलेगा SpiceJet 001 read you 5 by 5 as well, requesting IFR clearance to कोलकाता विक्टर को चार्ली बोइंग 737-800. इधर और भी डेटा इंफॉर्मेशन ही could provide to the delivery controller, but इतना is enough, especially for right now. Delivery SpiceJet 001, you are cleared to destination Kolkata via suppose Akita 1 Delta departure. Now ask, what is Akita 1D, Akita 1 Delta departure? Like this is an example of departure route. Okay, एक वो मतलब what it will be is not here. See, consider that we are taking off from Bangalore. Okay, इस direction में हम लोग इस runway से take off करेंगे, runway 09 in this east direction. We'll face east. ठीक है, तो this will be the route. ठीक है, फर्स्ट हम इस वे पॉइंट में जाएंगे, फिर हम इस वे पॉइंट में जाएंगे, फिर हम इस वे पॉइंट में जाएंगे, और ये ऑरेंज वाला जो लाइन है ना, दिस विल खत्म हियर, दिस विल एंड हियर. मैं क्या कैसे हिंदी, ठीक है, दिस विल एंड हियर. ये जो ऑरेंज रूट है पूरा, दिस इज द होल डिपार्चर रूट. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दिस द येलो लाइन इज बेसिकली द होल क्रूज. तुम्हारा जो बाकी का रूट है, दिस इज द येलो थिंग. Orange thing is your departure, and this set of waypoints is known as one departure, SID, standard instrument departure. SID बोलते हैं उसको. And the equivalent of this for arrival is STAR, standard terminal arrival route. Same thing. ठीक है, यहाँ पे I might write it SID. हाँ, इधर तो लिखना ही नहीं हुआ. Oh, I am so bad. SID. ओके, ये होता है स्टैंडर्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिपार्चर. नो, डिलीट लेयर. यस, हटो. I'm so bad at this. उसको थोड़ा लेफ्ट में लाना होगा ना. ओह, सॉरी, बहुत बोर कर रहा हूँ मैं. एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. नेवर माइंड. And the second will be star, SID and star, Siddharth Malhotra and star. Okay, Siddharth Malhotra is a star, ऐसे याद कर लो. Standard instrument departure, star will be standard terminal arrival route. Okay, अब देखो, why do we use these waypoints? क्यों? We use this for streamlining the whole process, both for the ATC and for the pilot, क्योंकि generally बहुत ट्रैफिक होता है हवा में. ठीक है, बहुत सारे एयरक्राफ्ट्स होते हैं, ATC को बहुत कुछ मैनेज करना होता है. जब अगर मेन सोच लो, कोई छोटा सा एयरपोर्ट है जहाँ पे लाइक 2-3 प्लेन्स आ रहे हैं लैंड करने के लिए, एटीसी क्या करेगा, टू सेव सम टाइम वो उसको हेडिंग्स देगा, ठीक है। जैसे ऊपर नॉर्थ का हेडिंग क्या होगा, 360, दैट इज नॉर्थ। ईस्ट का क्या होगा, 90। वेस्ट का क्या होगा, 180। सॉरी, नॉर्थ साउथ का क्या होगा, 180। वेस्ट का क्या होगा, 270। तो जैसे कंपास होता है ना, डिग्रीज, सेम इसमें होता है। कंपास का जैसा हेडिंग होता है, ATC can give you heading, like if you are somewhere here, he'll give you this heading. This will be like 310, fly heading 310। फिर जब तुम यहाँ पहुंच जाओगे इस रनवे को लैंड करने के लिए, देन he'll give you the runway heading। रनवे के अंदर आने के लिए जो हेडिंग होगा, रनवे के अंदर आने के लिए क्या, द रनवे इज फेसिंग वेस्ट, तो वेस्ट के लिए he'll give you fly heading 270, and then he'll come here and then land, simple। वैसे भी रूट दे सकता है, but these waypoints are much, number one, they can fly on their own, the autopilot can fly all these waypoints on its own। okay, उतना पायलट को इंटरफेयर नहीं करना होगा। तो रूट्स are used for these। back to the communication part via Akita 1 Delta departure। अब ये पूरा जो मैं बताया, a set of waypoints which is used to depart from one airport and then reach a certain airway। Airways are like highways on the road, ठीक है। via Akita 1 Delta departure, ठीक है। अब एयरवे भी, अब ये डिपार्चर रूट पूरा जब खत्म होगा, he'll end up on one एयरवे, तो he'll specify that airway, like विक्टर यांकी, कुछ भी ले लो, विक्टर यांकी 7 एयरवे initially climb 7,000 feet। इनिशियली क्लाइम मतलब अभी तक वो 7,000 फीट तक उसको क्लियर कर दिया गया, ही इज अलाउड टू गो टू टिल 7,000 फीट व्हेन ही टेक्स ऑफ। उसके बाद टू क्लाइम फर्दर, और ऊपर ऑल्टीट्यूड जाने के लिए ही विल हैव टू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम द हायर ATCs, ठीक है। आई थिंक आई विल डिलीट दिस। तो जब he'll देखो, delivery will give him, basically बता रहा हूँ, delivery will give him the clearance, ground will give him the taxi instructions, tower will um, tell him when to take off, departure he will control this particular route। on departure, when he has reached like 6,500 feet, he's about to reach 7,000, departure will tell him SpiceJet 001, you are further cleared to flight level 280। and what is flight level 280? To 28,000 feet, ठीक है। center is like the topmost controller, who is controlling everything, लेकिन everything में he doesn't control like a center। देखो ये क्या पता है, दिस इज वैटसिम का मैप। वैटसिम पे अभी कौन से कंट्रोलर्स ऑनलाइन है, ठीक है। सी, ये जो ब्लू कलर का एरिया है ना, देखो सिंगापुर सेंटर, ओके, सिंगापुर सेंटर के अंदर ये जो दो प्लेन है ना, ये अभी एक है 31,000 फीट पे एंड एक है 40,000 फीट पे। सो ही कंट्रोल दीज टू गाइज, बट नॉट दीज, ये लोग भी अंदर आते हैं, बट यहाँ पे दे ऑलरेडी हैव ग्राउंड टावर एंड approach controller। He will not control this people, okay। He'll control the aircraft that are above 21,000 feet in his airspace। इसका airspace बहुत बड़ा है, if you compare it with मतलब ground controller, ground is controlling only the airport, but the center is controlling, see, tens of thousands of kilometers square। but ऐसा नहीं है कि he has much more workload than ground is controlling a lot of airplanes in मतलब एक बहुत congested area में they are controlling every aircraft। यहाँ पे he is controlling them in the air, Simple. ठीक है. This will take time to understand. Okay. Then yeah, let's go back to the conversation. Initially climb 7,000 feet. He'll have to reach the pilot has to reach the, you know, cruise altitude at some point of time. No, so he'll tell him what he should expect. Expect flight level FL. Flight level मान लो 350, 35,000 feet, and he'll give him a squawk code. Squawk code. Squawk code like 1200. अच्छा, किसी को पता स्क्वाक कोड क्या है? किसी को तो पता होगा. नहीं
नहीं पता.
नहीं पता. Okay, never mind.
It's
Squawk code.
it's a number that you put into the system of an aircraft, which can kind of determine the status of the aircraft.
Yes, exactly. अब if we take A320 squawk box. See, transponder. This is the technical name. Transponder. Squawk is basically what it does. ठीक है. This is the squawk box. यहाँ पे the code will appear like this. 5607 is appearing here. ठीक है. He'll put the number in this keypad, and here are the certain controls of the squawk box. Okay. This is in this one. That was for A320. This one is for 737. Okay. यहाँ पे जैसे he has squawked 2000. He'll rotate these knobs to control the, to set the numbers. ऐसे ही I can show you the radios. ये जो है ये radio panel है. Radio ना I forgot to tell you, every controller you will contact will have a certain radio frequency you have to put in. जैसे तुम रेडियो सुनने के लिए 93.5 डालते हो या कुछ डालते हो, you have to put the number in this radio box in your aircraft in the similar way. Same for the navigation. Navigation radios भी होता है. इसका देखो ऊपर है ये VHF frequency, मतलब very high frequency which is used to talk. उसके नीचे navigation frequency है which is used to navigate, मतलब जो ग्राउंड पे कुछ रेडियो स्टेशंस होते हैं उसको तुम फॉलो कर सकते हो. अगर उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी तुम डाल दोगे देन यू विल स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग, मतलब स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग टुवर्ड्स दैट VOR. इजी. तो the frequency is measured in megahertz. ठीक है. जैसे डिलीवरी का क्या होगा, एक सेकेंड. वन थिंग, the frequency ranges from 118.00 000 megahertz till 130.999 megahertz. ओके, ये रेंज है. ठीक है. सो अगर मान लो डिलीवरी का एक होता है डिलीवरी, वी कैन पुट डिलीवरी एज मान लो 118.300. ग्राउंड का क्या होगा 121.500. फिर टावर का क्या होगा 125.150. ऐसे सारे ये कंट्रोलर्स का एक स्पेसिफिक फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा मेजर्ड इन मेगाहर्ट्ज. अब यहाँ देखो 118.3 ये सिंपल मैथ्स है. अगर 300 है ना तो लास्ट में ये जीरोस तो नहीं चाहिए, इसको हटा सकते हैं. 118.3 121.500 125.150 एक जीरो हटा दिए. ऐसे सिंपल. नाइस. यू विल पुट द स्क्वाक कोड 1200 यहाँ पे. ओके, यहाँ पे every aircraft will have different squawks. Okay, अब ये क्या करना होगा, while the delivery is providing him the clearance, the pilot has to note all that in a piece of paper or maybe in the tablet. Okay, तो how will he read back, क्योंकि देखो the clearance is pretty long, है ना, काफी कुछ याद करने को है इसमें, तो he'll write it and he'll have to confirm that he has taken everything correctly. He has taken everything correctly from the delivery clearance. Awesome. So he'll read back the conversation. Read back कैसे करेगा? Pilot IZ001 VR नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन clear to destination कोलकाता via Akita 1 Delta departure Victor Yankee 7 Airway initial climb 7,000 expecting final flight level 350 and squawk code 1200. Simple. And देखो, the readback of the pilot is, if it is correct, delivery will say Spider 001 readback is correct and contact ground at, हमने ground का frequency क्या दिया था, 121.5, contact ground at 121.5. okay, contact ground at 121.5 for push back and engine start. Push back and engine start. Okay, this is the whole thing with respect to the delivery and pilot. ये ट्रांसमिशंस होते हैं. अब एक चीज मान लो, the pilot did not read back the clearance properly. उसने मे बी Akita 1 Delta को बोल दिया Akita 1 Charlie, तो delivery will say SpiceJet 001 correction clear to destination Kolkata via Akita 1 Delta departure. So pilot will read back it again, SpiceJet 001 clear to destination Kolkata via Akita 1 Delta departure. Okay.